Hello there. We're seeing a bit of respite from the very heavy rain that's caused the catastrophic flooding across parts of western Germany and Belgium too. That slow-moving area of low pressure that brought all those torrential slow-moving downpours still with us. It's moving off towards the south and the east. So through the remainder of the weekend then we are set to see further heavy showers and thunderstorms. Could be some localised flooding for the likes of Austria, Switzerland, down towards Croatia and up across Poland as well. For Turkey, things are looking generally dry, sunny and warm, but we will see some of those showers pushing into parts of Greece and southern Italy as well. For Portugal and for Spain, after a colder spell of weather, we're seeing temperatures recover, so up to about 37 Celsius in Madrid. Drier weather for France and for the UK, hot sunshine extending here. Not as hot as it has been for Scandinavia, cooler with a few showers, those heavy downpours pushing across Poland. By the time we get to Monday, they shift further southwards and eastwards. Moscow could see some of the heavy showers. Croatia likely to see some heavy rain, but not the extensive flooding that we saw over the past few days. It is looking drier, at least for the next 4 days or so across Belgium and western Germany. Here's the outlook then, and it's a dry one for London, Paris, Madrid and for Rome as well. Lots of sunshine in the forecast there. Berlin also looking dry, but some scattered showers and thunderstorms and a dip in the temperature for Moscow. Bye-bye. Hello there. The intense heat that's been gripping much of the western half of North America is not quite as intense as it has been, so temperatures not as hot generally for parts of western Canada and the northwest of the US, but still very hot towards the likes of Montana and the surrounding states and also into southern parts of Canada as well. So for the likes of Glasgow in Montana, we could beat the record for consecutive days above 100 Fahrenheit there. Meanwhile, further east, a slow-moving area of low pressure, and that's bringing some heavy rain anywhere from New England and the northeast, Toronto to right down towards the southern plains. Another area of rain also affecting parts of British Columbia, bringing the temperatures down here. Into Washington State and Oregon, most places looking dry, as does much of California, but we've got some heavy showers for parts of the desert southwest. Arizona's already seen some flooding. There could be some thunderstorms around the Four Corners region associated with that North American monsoon. So a lot of dry weather for Vancouver, Seattle, San Francisco and Los Angeles too. But if we look further towards the northeast, you can see the area of rain affecting Toronto. New York, I think, avoiding most of that wet weather on Saturday. It could be a bit of rain later in the day. Scattered heavy showers affecting Atlanta, for instance. Down towards Florida, it's sunny spells and just a few lighter showers, but plenty of showers in the forecast over the next few days. Looking a little bit drier though for Miami. Bye-bye. Hello there. Some active weather in the East Pacific. We've got Hurricane Felicia, which is moving out towards sea in a westerly direction, and we're likely to see another hurricane, or at least a tropical storm, forming off the coast of Mexico and again staying out to sea at the moment. We'll look at that in just a moment. But first off, for South America then, we've got this area of low pressure which is bringing some windy and showery weather around the coast of Argentina towards southern Uruguay as well. Temperatures below average across this part of South America, whereas further north some really heavy rainfall across Venezuela down towards northern Peru as well. Drier for central and eastern parts of Brazil. Pretty warm still for Rio de Janeiro, 27 degrees here. Some scattered showers for the far south of Brazil, and then we've got that low pressure bringing the wet and windy weather certainly around coastal parts of Argentina. Very unsettled still for Patagonia too, with a series of low pressure bringing some heavy rain and some strong winds. For Rio de Janeiro, a few showers around over the next few days, and that's going to bring a bit of a dip in those temperatures too, but Buenos Aires should turn a little bit warmer for the coming few days. Now here's the tropical storm that may form into a hurricane, but it's going to be pushing out towards the west. Elsewhere across Mexico, some scattered heavy showers for the Yucatan Peninsula, heavier rain further south, particularly towards Costa Rica and Panama, and just a few scattered showers and thunderstorms at times across central parts of the Caribbean. Havana's likely to see some of those heavy showers for the next few days, but it does turn drier later next week. Bye-bye. Hello there. We've got some unsettled weather in store for the Middle East over the next few days with heavy showers. We'll come to that in just a moment. But let's start off across Africa. And you can see from the satellite image this band of shower cloud through central parts of Africa. Particularly heavy showers at the moment in the west for the likes of Guinea, Sierra Leone, where there could be some localised flooding. And there's also some scattered heavier showers forming across parts of Ethiopia towards Kenya as well. Meanwhile, further south, it's been pretty cold for much of southern Africa, including South Africa. 22 degrees though in Cape Town on Sunday, so those temperatures have returned to something a little bit more normal at the moment. We will see more showers and again a dip in those temperatures for Cape Town as we head through the course of this coming week. Johannesburg also seeing things turning colder, just around 8 degrees by the time we get to Thursday. In fact, for Khartoum, some heavy showers and thunderstorms from around about Tuesday. That brings a dip in the temperature. Should be dry for Casablanca, Kinshasa and Lusaka as well. But let's move on to the Middle East now. Largely dry and settled for Syria, northern Saudi Arabia too, but across the Gulf and into southern Saudi Arabia, we've got low pressure bringing some really heavy showers. Some of those showers down towards Yemen and Oman at times over the coming couple of days as well. Quite breezy conditions, gusty winds in and around some of these heavy showers. Could be some thunderstorms as well. They'll linger for Muscat and Dubai into Sunday, but it does turn drier from Monday onwards. Bye-bye. Hello there. The monsoon rains were about 5 days late, reaching the far north of India, but the rains are particularly heavy at the moment. In fact, we've got warnings out for potential flooding impacts from those monsoon rains in the west, particularly for the likes of Goa, Karnataka and Maharashtra too. And the other areas that have already seen some really heavy rain and will continue to do so through the rest of the weekend across the far north and northeast of India into parts of Nepal as well. So flooding impacts possible in the areas that are going to be seeing the most intense rainfall. Drier in the east, as we'd expect this time of year, for the likes of Chennai at around about 33 degrees. Moving our way into Central Asia, it's been quite cold across parts of Kazakhstan. Nur Sultan, though, warming up to around about average through the day on Sunday. And warmer weather also moving towards Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan too, but we've got some heavy showers for parts of Kyrgyzstan and Tajikistan as well. Largely dry in Karachi, I think, on Sunday, but then around Mumbai area, lots of heavy rain, thunderstorms as well. Scattered, we'll see some scattered showers, but they won't be a thing across northern and western parts of India for the next couple of days. So lots more of heavy showery rain and thunderstorms in the forecast for Mumbai. Islamabad keeps the rain for the next few days, but looks drier as we head towards the end of the week. And drier weather too for Tashkent, where it is looking pretty hot. We could see some gusty and dusty conditions at times in Karachi. Bye-bye. Hello there. We've had some very heavy rainfall across parts of Indonesia, particularly Borneo towards Sulawesi as well over recent days. The cloud here on the satellite image is easing away though, so that means most of the showers are going to be easing in intensity across this part of the world. Not as much rainfall here. Meanwhile, further north, a developing tropical storm out towards the southeast of Japan at the moment. You can see the system here. That may form into a typhoon through the course of this week, moving its way close to the Ryukyu Islands and then potentially on into eastern parts of China. We've already got some really heavy rain inland for central and eastern China. See the green colours indicating where we could see some localised flooding impacts. Further south, some heavy showers also for parts of Cambodia, Thailand and Laos as well. Here's the outlook for the next 5 days or so. Osaka seeing a bit of rain on Sunday, but looking drier through the coming working week. Largely dry for Beijing, but some heavy showers in Bangkok. Now across Australia, quite unsettled generally in the south. More showers and quite breezy for Perth, and we'll see a few showers at times for the likes of Melbourne too. Further north across Australia, a lot of pretty warm, dry, settled weather. For New Zealand, we've had devastating floods recently for the South Island. For Sunday, a little bit drier across the South Island, but still rain and brisk winds lingering from the North Island. It's going to be dry for a time before the next area of low pressure moves in, though. We're likely to see a few showers at times for both Sydney and Melbourne over the next few days. Bye-bye.